Hola amigos, and welcome back to Espanflow. I'm Erik.
And I'm Sarah. In today's lesson, we're going to learn one of the most important skills for any Spanish learner: how to introduce yourself in Spanish.
Exactly. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, starting a conversation, or introducing yourself in class, these expressions will help you make a great first impression.
Let's start with the basics. The most common way to introduce yourself is by saying your name. In Spanish, you can say me llamo, which means my name is. For example, me llamo Sara. My name is Sarah.
You can also say soy, which means I am. For example, soy Erik. I am Erik. Both are correct and natural. Me llamo sounds a bit more common in introductions, while soy is shorter and friendly.
After saying your name, you can tell people where you're from. The phrase is soy de, which means I'm from. For example, soy de Estados Unidos. I'm from the United States. Or soy de Inglaterra. I'm from England.
That's right. Let's put it together. Hola, me llamo Erik. Soy de Canadá. Soy profesor de inglés. ¿Y tú?
Hola, me llamo Sara. Soy de Estados Unidos. Soy estudiante de español.
Excellent. That's a very natural way to introduce yourself and ask about someone else.
Now, let's learn how to ask someone's name and where they're from. These are super common in daily conversations. To ask, "What's your name?" you say, "¿Cómo te llamas?" What's your name? And to ask, "Where are you from?" you say, ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from?
If you need to sound more formal, for example, when speaking to someone older or in a polite situation, you can use usted. ¿Cómo se llama? What's your name? ¿De dónde es? Where are you from?
Exactly. The difference between tú and usted is important. Tú is used with friends, classmates, or people your age. Usted is used to show respect.
Let's practice a short, polite conversation. Buenos días. ¿Cómo se llama usted?
Me llamo Erik Johnson. ¿Y usted?
Me llamo Sarah Brown. Mucho gusto.
El gusto es mío.
Perfect. Mucho gusto means nice to meet you, and el gusto es mío means the pleasure is mine. These are polite and common when meeting someone new.
You can also say encantado or encantada, which both mean nice to meet you. If you're a man, say encantado. If you're a woman, say encantada.
Now let's combine everything into a full introduction.
Hola, me llamo Erik. Soy de Canadá. Soy profesor. Encantado de conocerte.
Hola, me llamo Sarah. Soy de Estados Unidos. Soy estudiante. Mucho gusto.
That's how you introduce yourself in Spanish. It's simple, friendly, and very useful in real life.
Practice this with friends or record yourself saying it out loud. The more you repeat, the more natural you'll sound.
That's all for today's lesson. In the next episode, we'll learn how to ask and answer simple questions about age, hobbies, and family in Spanish.
See you next time, amigos. Nos vemos.
Hasta la próxima en Espanflow.